Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you some creation and how to make the emoji check, and here I am going to use the PixVerse application from my Android phone. And if you are the user of the Apple or the iOS, don't forget to install it first from your App Store. And also don't forget to do the logged in first, and this app will earn you the credit to do the creation. And this is the look of the home page and the example of another people. Then you can go to the template over here, and since we would like to create the emoji check video from your photo, then we can use this template. So initially this template will give you the example of the result. Then if you would like to know, then you can use this template. Then it will going to the gallery that you would like to change this video to become a video of emoji check over here. Then you can just create it, and since it will need the 20 credit over here, and since we have 80 credits left, so it can be enough to do this action, then we can just go on with this template. Just click create and give this application time first to generate the picture to become a video, and you can see another example while waiting for the result. And there will be the notification up here that you can follow. Then I will go into this notification and I will click the result. There you go. It will create you the video become alive, and also create the your photo to become an animation. It's like a 3D animation, as you can see. So if you would like to, let's say, create this emoji, then you can choose this option. Or if you would like to simply download it and install, and I'm sorry, to post it into your social media, then you can just save this video. Or if you would like to remove this video, then you can simply choose these options. So that's all guys, don't forget to try it by yourself into your social media or into your device, and please let us know if this video and tutorial also help you. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.